Unfortunately, now we have over 120 million dead from COVID. Over 100,
Masks do not protect you, lady. Are you wearing a hazmat suit? No? Okay then, you're still vulnerable. Masks merely stop you from spreading the virus if you sneeze or cough. That's it. They're only valuable if you have the virus and you are exhibiting symptoms.
Masks should only be worn if you have a cough, fever and difficulty breathing.
If you do not have these symptoms, you do not have to wear masks because there is no evidence that they protect people who are not sick.
And while they may offer some sense of security, experts warn if you wear a mask the wrong way, it could actually make you sick.
What we've got to remember is that front of the mask may be picking up different pathogens.
And if you're actually sick, you should be home self-quarantining.
Here's some respect. Hey buddy, did you hear the news? It's meme reviews.
That's knocking at your door.
I watch them anyway, fuck you.
Ja,